Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class. I hope you are fine. Today we will study the topic passive voice. What is passive voice? Passive voice is a verbal construction in which the subject is presented as passive. Therefore, we use passive voice when we don't want to emphasize in who or what perform the action. In the other hand, active voice is a clause of sentence in which the subject directly performs the action. This is the normal structure that we already know. I have an example here. The cat eat, eats a small fish. But how we can change the sentence into passive voice? So there are several points that we need to keep in mind when we want to change the sentence in passive voice. The first one, the object of an active voice sentence becomes the subject. So we need, first of all, we need to identify which is the object and which is the subject. And the subject is the person or thing who carry out the action, and the object is the person or thing who receive the action. In this case, the cat is the subject and a small fish is the object. The, the second one says the principal verb in the active voice is substituted by the auxiliary verb to be in the same tense, in the same verb tense. In passive voice we need to add the verb to be. As you can see here, there are not any auxiliary verb, but we need to add in the same tense. This sentence is in present simple, so the auxiliary verb to be will be in present simple too, and the verb is then in the past participle form. So this verb, which is the principal verb, will be in participle. Remember that the participle is the third form of the verb. We have infinitive, past, and participle. We need to know the present participle. The subject in the active voice becomes the complement, which is the subject, the cat. So this becomes the complement in passive voice. Preposition by. Normal to introduce the subject, we use the preposition by. So let's check the structure. The object becomes the subject. The verb to be is in present tense. The verb is in participle, and then the complement using the preposition by. So in passive voice the sentence is a small fish is eaten by the cat. When we use it, when we don't know who complete the action, when we don't want to say who complete the action, and also when we want to give more importance to the action and not who complete it. Now let's practice. I need that you take your notebook and a pencil and try to put in order these words in the way that you consider is the correct form to get one active a sentence with active voice and one sentence with passive voice. And pause the video for a moment in order to complete it. I hope you have finished. And now check your answers. The active voice is the secretary writes the speech. The passive is the speech is written by the secretary. Now, as you can see, there are here two times more the past and the future, but we will study this the next week because of the time. Note, it's important to know that we can't use the passive voice with intransitive verbs. The intransitive verbs are those which don't have direct object. And this is the class for today. Thank you for paying attention and see you next time.